Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So today's video is for a beef and noodle stir fry. This is a dinner that I'm sure the whole family will enjoy. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we're going to take a deep frying pan or a wok, pop it onto a medium to high heat, and to that we're going to add 400 grams of sliced sirloin steak. Now try and get this as thin as you can, and then we're going to add 3 cloves of sliced garlic. Cook those for 3 to 4 minutes just until the meat is sealed. Now we're going to add 75 grams of thinly sliced chestnut mushrooms, 1 orange pepper that's been deseeded and sliced, and 1 carrot that's been thinly sliced. Now we're going to stir fry these for another 5 minutes just until the vegetables have softened. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, it does help that I can make further videos for you. Now to the beef and vegetable mixture, we're going to add 400 grams of cooked medium egg noodles, 150 milliliters of chicken stock, 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce, 2 tablespoonfuls of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoonfuls of sweet chili sauce, and 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil. Now we're going to give that a stir round. We'll cook that for another 2 to 3 minutes just until everything is warmed through. Now we'll season liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And now it's time to serve. So we just divide our beef and noodle mixture into bowls. There was enough of this for 4. And then we're going to top it with some toasted sesame seeds. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.